Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN. Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Alrighty then, that's really all you can say to summarize this price movement, although I think a lot of it is fake. Because if I bring down the after hours right now, you can see that actually the price, not that anything crazy is going on right now, but the pointer being the price is back up around this area of the chart of, let's just call it 3250 ballpark idea. So at one point, and the chart is showing that it closed down here at 3160, which is true, but I don't know if that was an algo, some fat finger trade, some I don't know what happened. But as of now, it appears that this big downwards movement right there wasn't genuine because, like I said, in after hours now, the price has snapped back upwards, and it's technically up around that 3250 mark. But wanted to get that pointed out just so, to offer up a little bit more context that it's not looking like this was, the end of the world or anything like that. But I will say that a level that stands out to me moving forward is now going to be this area right there, that former area of support, right around 3280. And given, like I said, we'll assume that the price opens around 3250, give or take, that would now actually be considered an area of resistance. And that's just a foundational rule in charting that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of, bounce back to the upside, 3280 is going to be that first key level of resistance to watch very, very closely. And then if the price can get up through there, next key level of resistance would be right up there at, let's make sure I got that right. Yeah, right around the 3320 mark. So keep your eye on those couple levels. Again, 3280, 3320. As far as levels of support are concerned, again, tricky because where is this actually going to open up? But assuming, again, it opens up at 3250 area, that first key level of support you would want to watch is down there at the $32 mark. And then after 32, the next key level would be right down there at right around 3175. So again, a very bizarre chart, but as of now, for the reasons already discussed, looking like that this crazy late day action wasn't all that genuine. But we'll see what happens with it next week. All I know is a lot of people are going to be talking about this over the weekend, and we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.